beautiful song, but it's a sad song. And as you know, I don't like ending the show on sad songs. I did promise at the start of our long hot summer season that we would push Pineapple, Shake the Tree. So I reckon it would be rude not to. Here's our happy ending. Sorry!
I got do, push pineapple, shake the tree. I got do, push pineapple, grind coffee. To the left, to the right, jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night, sing with a hula melody. I met a hula mistress somewhere in Waikiki. Well, she was selling pineapple, playing ukulele. And when I went to the girl, come on and teach me to sway, she laughed and whispered to me, yes, come tonight to the bay. The lovely beach and the sky, the moon of Kauai, around Calypso Sarong, we'll all be singing this song. I got do, push pineapple, shake the tree. I got do, push pineapple, grind coffee. To the left, to the right, jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night, sing with a hula melody. I got do, push pineapple, shake the tree. I got do, push pineapple, grind coffee. To the left, to the right, jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night, sing with a hula melody. And down on the shore, they gather romance. She showed me much more, not only to dance. I got do, push pineapple, shake the tree. I got do, push pineapple, grind coffee. To the left, to the right, jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night, sing with a hula melody. I got do, push pineapple, shake the tree. I got do, push pineapple, grind coffee. To the left, to the right, jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night, sing with a hula melody. A lovely beach and the sky, the moon of Kauai, around Calypso Sarong, we'll all be singing the song. I got do, push pineapple, shake the tree. I got do, push pineapple, grind coffee. To the left, to the right, jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night, sing with a hula melody. I got do, push pineapple.
The only thing that stopped this getting to number one was George Michael's Careless Whisper. Thank God for George Michael. Black Lace, I gotta do. And that'll do it. Thank you to Andy Bell and Peter Lorraine for being my 80s stars this week. Thank you, Johnny California and Jess Lloyd. Sounds of the 80s with Gary Davis is a listen production for BBC Radio 2. Burns next with Sounds of the 90s. I'll meet you back here next Friday at 8 for our James Bond special. Until then, have a great week and a great weekend. Good night. This is Radio 2 on the BBC Sounds app, on your smart speaker and on 88 to 91 FM.